Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful neck pillow or a travel pillow. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and some stuffings. This travel pillow looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful travel pillow, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, half double crochet and slip stitch. So we have used camel stitch. So this is a 2-row repeat pattern. One row will be an increased row and the next row will be normal half double crochet row. So till the required size you will be making the increased row. After that we will be just making only the half double crochet row till the required width of the travel pillow you want. So now let's see how to do them. To do this neck pillow I am using 2 strands of yarn. So you are going to start with the slip knot. Do 50 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 50 chain. 1, 2, 3. After doing 50 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work on the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. You are going to do 2 half double crochet in that stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. This is what we say it as half double crochet. You are going to do one more half double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Next stitch, 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. So this will be the pattern you are going to follow for this round by doing 1 half double crochet in the first stitch and 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. You are going to follow this till you reach the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work on the other side of the chain. You are going to do half double crochet in the first chain. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. So likewise you are going to continue them till you reach the last stitch. That is, you'll be doing half double crochet in the first stitch and 2 half double crochet in the next stitch till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are going to finish it off using a slip stitch. Instead of finishing off using the same stitch, you are going to take the other color and you are going to finish it off using a slip stitch. Next, do chain 1. You can snip off this yarn. So if you see, for next round you will be working on the third loop of this half double crochet. Normally we will be working in this stitch by taking both the loops together. So now we are going to do the camel stitch. For that we'll be working on the third loop. So how to find the third loop? When you twist your work at the back side, you can find a loop here. So this will be the third loop. So you are going to do half double crochet in that third loop. You can carry all the tails. So next stitch, half double crochet by working in the third loop. In this round you are going to do half double crochet in each stitch. You are just going to work in the third loop. So you'll find a rib-like structure in front. So this is what we say it as a camel stitch. That is, you are going to work half double crochet in each stitch in the third loop. So you are going to continue this around till you reach this end. You're just going to work half double crochet in the third loop so that you will get a rib-like structure here. After doing them, it looks like this. You can find a rib-like structure here. This is what we say it as a camel stitch. It gives a nice knitting stitch look. So you can finish it off using a slip stitch, the first half double crochet. So after completing the round, it looks like this. This project completely we are going to work on the camel stitch. So for next round, if you see here, this is the third loop. We'll be working on the third loop. So you are going to follow the same pattern of this second round, do chain 1. You are going to do half double crochet in the third loop. Half double crochet in the third loop. Half double crochet in the third loop. So likewise you will be doing half double crochet in the third loop till you reach this end and finish it off using a slip stitch. Same way you are going to do one more row. In that row also you will be working on the third loop of the half double crochet. You will be working around. Totally you will be working 3 rows of half double crochet. We have done already one row. Next row we are doing, and again one row we have to do. After doing them, it looks like this. You can see now it forms like the pillow shape. Next round, you are going to change the color. Finish this round using a slip stitch. Take the next color. So this round will be an increase round. Place it on this. Chain 1. So first stitch, you'll be doing 1 half double crochet. First stitch, 1 half double crochet. You can snip off this color. Next stitch, 1 half double crochet. You can carry all the tails along with you. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this round by doing half double crochet in each stitch for 2 stitches, and in the next stitch you are going to do 2 half double crochet. So you are going to follow them till you reach this end and finish it off using a slip stitch using the other color. After doing them, it looks like this. Now we have changed the color. You are going to do half double crochet in each stitch in the third loop. So third loop, you are going to do half double crochet in each stitch. So it looks like this. This is the camel stitch pattern. So the pattern is just a repeat of 2 rounds. One round is an increase round and the other round will be the normal half double crochet round. Increase round, first we did 1 half double crochet in the first stitch and 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. Next we made half double crochet in each stitch for 3 rounds. In the next round we made half double crochet in each stitch for 2 stitches, and in the third stitch we made an increase. Next we are going to do half double crochet in each stitch for 3 rounds. There will be no increase in that round. And the next you will be doing half double crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches, and in the fourth stitch you will be making an increase. Next you will be doing half double crochet in each stitch for 3 rounds. So for the increase round we will be using this dark maroon color, and for the normal half double crochet round we will be using this brown color. So you'll be following this pattern till the required size and height of the travel pillow you want. After doing them till the required size, the travel pillow looks like this. So if you see here, the width which I have done for 11 inches. So based on the size which you want, you can do them. So next you are going to close these 2 sides and then make the filling. So now let's see how to do them. So here I'll be doing in this third loop. Same way I will insert the hook in the third loop here. Yarn over, pull through both the loops and pull through this loop. So insert in this third loop here. Same way insert the third loop here. Yarn over, pull through both the loops and through this loop. So likewise you will be joining them. So insert the hook in this third loop here and insert it here, and you're going to do a slip stitch. So it looks like this. You will do little bit and then you will make the stuffings. So it looks like this. Next you can keep little bit of stuffing. You have to keep enough stuffing to get a beautiful shape. So likewise you will be joining them using slip stitch, and then you will be placing the stuffing inside till you reach this end. So after doing them, it looks like this. Last you can do make a slip stitch, chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Travel pillow or neck pillow looks like this. If you want, you can add a button and a buttonhole here so that it will get closer like this. Travel pillow or neck pillow looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.